Man, I tell you what, this clock has put up a heck of a fight. Off camera, I got most of it put, as far as the spring goes, I got most of it put back on. I'd almost take it apart again because I forgot to put this on top of this. So, sorry, all my clocks out in the other room are chiming for the bottom of the hour. Anyway, now I gotta put the cam wheel in. And this wheel keeps wanting to pop out of place. I know why. Make sure I got everything. Oh, this control arm is I almost rage quit on this, but I'm not giving up yet. These control arms on these older clocks are the absolute worst. Oh, I see what the problem is. I gotta get you in your little hole. Wait a minute. What? Oh, I see what the problem is. So yeah, this is basically the same video as last time, me trying to argue with this clock. Let's see. This might not be a successful video. Use the end of my tweezers. Kind of push it in place. I'm bending the crud out of my tweezers. They're still bent. Alright, hold on. Let me assess the situation. Maybe if I use my finger. It is stuck. Wow. But it's almost there. There we go. Now the bottom of this other control arm. I should rename these videos the Control Arm Wars. There we go. Alright. Alright, that's all done. Just making sure everything is in place, kind of. Now with these, this is a cam wheel. I call it a cam wheel. There might be a more official name for it, but as you can see, there's a little cam that one of the arms, actually part of this control arm, there's a little wire in there where you can see it, but can't see through my hand. So I need to make sure that is lined up in one of those little cam grooves, while at the same time making sure the teeth are lined up. Okay. I'm gonna have to push up, and I'm pushing up. There we go. Now, there we go. All right. All right. I don't see any pinions out of place. Everything looks like it's in order. I might just get this done tonight. Finally. Mr. Dale is going to be happy. That's the customer. Okay, so I gotta put this back on. One of my legs fell off. I mean, it's not really important right now, but it does help. Okay, so make sure the cam is lined up, and this count arm. It just does not want to line up, does it? There we go. Kind of. There we go. All right. I'm gonna have to move this a little bit. Okay, there we go. That's all lined up, kind of. There we go. This little E-clip, it's not really an E-clip. And my wife is texting me. Get it lined up. Alright, well, I'm going to come back to a part 5. See what she wants. But anyway, I'll talk to you later. Or actually, I'll talk to you real soon. Alright, I'm back. Alright, where was I? Alright. Cam is down. That's lined up. Hole is kind of where I need it. So, where'd it go? Oh. Slide that in there. And I had to do it this way. I didn't have a choice. So I know you probably all have different ways of doing it. Well, unfortunately, it just did not work the way it usually works. All right, that's on there, kind of loose. I don't know why this arm is acting like it's not reaching. What's the deal? It's barely there. Why aren't you? Well, now it's not engaging with this wheel. What the hell? Pardon my French. Oh, I know why. Because it's not down all the way yet. There we go. Alright. I still haven't found that nut. Oh! There it is. I knew it would turn up. Well, found my nuts. I'm happy. Alright. So all I have is the verge and the strike hammer. What I might have to do for the strike hammer... No, I can't do that because... if I let the springs loose... that's still on there, pretty sketchy. Ah, crud. Or, wait. Well, that's not supposed to be on there like that. There we go. Alright, that was an easy fix. Crisis averted. I gotta see if everything's lined up. Kind of. Bent a little out of place. Okay, yep, that looks about right. All right. Let's see. Now, I noticed, and this is how I knew I put it on wrong, a little bit of wear. Oh yeah, right there. It's really hard to see on camera. It's probably not going to focus, so I'm not even going to, yeah. Right there is a little bit of wear, and there's a wheel in there. Oh, right there, yep. Right under the cam wheel. Alrighty, so that goes in there just like that. And I'm already I'm already halfway kind of there. I may have to wait. Yep. Okay. There we go. Okay. Make sure that's there. Okay. I have to lift this up slightly again. There we go. All right. I think. Now, what am I stuck on? Oh, I know what I'm stuck on. It's the spring. All right, this clock should be ready to run. I'll put the nut on there. I'll honestly be surprised if it does run, but I think the chiming is going to be off. Or the alignment for the cam wheel and everything. Something is going to go wrong. And if it does, oh, let me put the verge on. And I'm going to have to rebalance this whole verge system because there we go. All right. So I'm going to leave this video and I'm going to come back. Yeah, I'm a little out of line. something, I know the striking is going to be wrong. I'll honestly be surprised if it works. So I will come back here in a minute. I will see you shortly for part 6. Alright. I get my gloves on. I'm going to start on, I believe this is part 6. And there's a train. Alright. Now, this is dangerous. I should be wearing glasses too, but I don't know where my glasses... Well, actually, they're right there. But they really hinder my vision. This clock has exploded on me once before, and I survived, so I should be good. I don't think it's going to explode. Everything is tightened down. All the pinions, I checked on my brake between videos. All the pinions, actually that nut is not down all the way, but all the pinions are lined up. Excuse me. That was rude. Okay. Got my wind up tool right here. I mean, it's basically a winder. Let me move the camera up a little. It's kind of... there we go. Alright. Alright. Look at it go. But I need it to be in the stop position. Okay, I know why it's stopping. Oh. Uh-oh. Okay, easy. Something is crackling. Might be the spring. Put a little oil on it. I know it's not the right oil. Oh yeah, that spring is all over the place. I didn't even notice that. Wow. A little hammer won't come in handy this time. Oh, okay. Kind of got it on. All right. That was just the spring springing where it needs to go, I hope. Okay, clamp just fell off. Alright, first clamp is off. Really need it to be in the stop position. So... oh, I am way off. Just by a hair. I'm gonna have to tune that later. I knew that was gonna be off. Alright, clamp is falling off. Okay. That is not right. what is causing that to do that? Yeah, that cam is off. And this arm is either bent or something is in the way. Okay, it stopped. It's still off by a tooth. It's always picky like that. I don't know where the clock hands went. But anyway, that's pretty much... I may got this on backwards. Better than what it was. If I can find the hand, it might be in the old case. I was right, it was in the case. Okay. I need my gloves off for this. I don't think the clock is going to go exploding on me. But okay, so that would be up here. All right, it kind of works. It's a little off. Or maybe not. Probably needs oil. So right there, it should be going. The warning lever is stuck. I knew this was going to happen. No, it's not stuck, so what gives? Oh! It's moving way too fast. So let me try that again. So we're going to the bottom of the hour. And then the top, the warning should kick on any second. The warning should have kicked on right now. Okay, so yeah, it just needs a little help. The warning is set. Now if I go a little more, there we go. Okay. You can see it missed its groove, so it just needs some tuning. And pretty much done. Not ready to go back in its case yet, but I got the warning system set up. The cam needs to go back a tooth or two, but I'm gonna have to do that off camera. But for now, that's all I have for you. I mean, this clock is... You want to get into this hobby, it's great, it's fun, I enjoy it, but it gets frustrating sometimes. It's just one of those things you have to be very patient. I've had to take this clock apart 5 or 6 times already just to get it going. But anyway, that's all for now. So I'm going to go ahead and get off here. I will talk to you all later.